I really just want to talk to you guys, and I'll show you some stuff that I bought at a yard sale, but I still just wanted to talk to you guys. I don't know, I'm just feeling a little bit discouraged, trying to stay, you know, motivated on my plants. I really love my plants. Sometimes I question, like, you know, is it really worth the time and money to keep them and take care of them, because constantly trying to fight the bugs and dealing with if you're overwatering or underwatering, or if I like the plants to look the color that, you know, they're beautiful colors, so I kind of get down if they're not getting the right amount of sun to be the color that they're supposed to be. I don't know if this sounds dumb or not. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say. You know, like, is it worth it for me to be doing, having my collection? Also, I'm running out of space. I currently don't like the way my greenhouse is looking. It's looking a little too busy for me. I wish it was neater. I would like to keep it neater. It's being difficult because I'm running out of space. Obviously, I want a bigger collection because I think they're all beautiful. So yeah, there's a lot of what ifs and just questions, and it's just hard. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So yeah, that's just what I've been thinking. I would like a bigger greenhouse. I just don't know if that's possible because I already have this one, and building this one was a big adventure. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Just, I don't know, I want to hear your input on how you guys feel sometimes about your plants in your collection, because it's a collection, you know, like, and they cost money and time, and it takes so long to get so big. That's why I get so frustrated when I see them in the store and people just let them die for no reason. It's so frustrating because it takes so long. This here, right here, this is a year of growth. That's it, a year of growth. That's a long time. And then to just have it rot on you or a bug come kill it, it's difficult. And I know, obviously, this is not like a major thing in life, guys. I'm not like that about life. I'm a happy person in general. I'm just talking about my plants. That's it. I know there's bigger and more important things going out there, but I'm just talking regarding my plants. What, if you guys have, like, I don't know, any uplifting advice. And then I really like talking to you guys and sharing with you guys. So these I'm really happy with. These are so easy. I'm not doing anything. I don't really have to worry. There's no bugs attacking them, knock on wood. They've been taking in all the rain that's come down on them, and they're doing fine. So these are really easy. I just get scared of underwatering or overwatering inside my greenhouse because it's kind of hard to tell, you know, when is a good time to water and when not, because of humidity. That's the problem, the humidity. So yeah, but anyways, like I always said, it's easier to recover from underwatering than rot, because you won't be able to overwatering, because you most likely won't be able to rescue it, you know, unless the rot hasn't reached all the way up. So I just wanted to share my thoughts with you guys. I am super proud of this box. This box these were all propagation, and they're doing super well. All propagation from leaves, and they're doing awesome. So I am really, and this one has been like this for a year. Very good. I added some babies in here, but other than that, these older ones, they've been doing so well. This jade has been spreading on its own. I've been able to use it in some arrangements for people as gifts, so that's really cool. I like doing that. I like to be able to come to my garden and take cuttings and make a beautiful arrangement. I really like that. So yeah, guys, so let me show you what I found at the yard sale. I got all this at the same yard sale. I really liked the colors. I'm gonna use it as a planter. This mug is a beautiful mug. I just like the way the whole thing looks. It's handmade, and it's chipped here, but it's not a big deal. You can't see that when I put a plant. You'll see the plant like that. Isn't it cute? I like that. And then this one too. I really like the way this looks. This is handmade. This is from San Francisco. I don't think this has a name. Well, it does, but I don't know where it is. Oh, Alaska. It's from Alaska. That's cool. And these bowls, they're so cute, and I thought they would look so pretty with some plants in it. And it's from Japan. Here's this other one. Same company. I love the colors. So yeah, I can't wait to make some drainage on this and use them. And I'm also debating if I should take a lot of my single plants and make arrangements with them and just have them like that. But then when you put them together, it slows down their growth. So that's a debate, you know, if I should do that or not. So yeah, I'm constantly questioning that. And you know what, guys? I wanted to show you this and see if you guys know. This is very small. See my finger? Do you guys know the name of this beautiful plant? I would really, really like to know. I love this plant. It was green, but ever since I moved it out here, it's actually in the shade in bright light, and it's got this deep purpley color. So pretty. I love this arrangement right here. Really, really like that. The way that looks, and I really like how this Echeveria Blue Elf is doing also. Look at that baby over here. I really like how it comes out. So yeah, guys, there's one more thing I want to show you guys, and then that will be the end of my video. I made this beautiful arrangement with some plants that I recently purchased. This is the topsy-turvy that I got at Lowe's, and I beheaded it. I beheaded it because it was a little leggy. In my opinion, I thought it was a little leggy. So I took a lot of leaves for propagation, but not only that, you know that when you behead, you get babies. So that was a good reason to behead that. And I did the same thing to this one because there's a really good chance that it's going to give me babies. These I already had in the front, and I decided to also behead them to see if they would also produce babies on the stem. So that's what that is. But I also wanted to show you the pot. So I got this pot for $2 at Home Depot, and I painted it with white acrylic glossy paint. And then while it was still drying, I took a drawing that my daughter had made for me, and I cut it out and I stuck it on there while it was still drying. And then I applied Mod Podge over it. I applied one coat, but I'm gonna apply a second coat, and hopefully it won't get moldy like another one. I am trying a different way, so hopefully it doesn't get moldy. I really like how the arrangement turned out in the pot. I think it's beautiful, and I really like this. I really like working with cuttings. I do. It's just so easy to put them together. I really enjoy working with cuttings, so I don't know, I might get more motivated to, I don't know, do more cuttings together. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys, that pot that my daughter, with her beautiful drawing that she made me. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.